Okay, so I will start with this question. Okay, I will solve. You can see your answer is right or not. First, we have to read out the question. The question says a TV set shoots off out a beam of electron. The beam current is 10 microampere. Okay, 1 mu ampere is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 amperes, and this is 10. So the amount of current, so you can write the amount of current, that is I, is equals to 10 microampere. This is equals to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Okay, and the time is each second. Time is each second means 1 second. I know I is equals to charge flowing per unit time, Q upon T. We have to find the Q. Therefore, the value of Q will be I into T. The amount of the current is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 and the time is 1 second. So the charge is 10 to the power, या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 कूलम से क्या आ गया मेरे पास टोटल चार्ज आ गया. ठीक है, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एज आई नो द चार्ज ऑन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this amount of charge 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb charge कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पे होगा? दैट विल बी ऑन x इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पर जो चार्ज है वो होता है 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So how many electrons will have the charge of 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb? So we will use the unitary method and the value of x will be 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So the value of x will come 6.25 into 10 to the power 14. This much number of electrons will be striking the TV screen in each second. Okay, if you have got this answer, your answer will be correct.
So not 14, sir. I think it should be 13.
It is 6.25, no, Tariq, that's why it is. If you want to calculate the value of number of electrons, you can use this formula also. This is Q is equals to Ne, where Q is the amount of charge, that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. N is the number of electrons and E is the charge of electron. E is the charge of electron and N is the number of electrons. So we can calculate the value of N. It will definitely come into 6.25 into 10 to the power 14. Okay, now we will move to second part of this question. The second part is B part is, it is saying how much charge strike the screen in a minute. In a minute. Okay, so the solution of this part will be, we can say the number of electrons striking in 1 second is, the charge striking in 1 second is 10 into 10 to the power 6. In 1 second, this amount of charge is striking on the TV screen. So I will calculate the charge striking on the TV screen in 1 minute. Okay, so it will be in 1 second 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb charge is striking the TV screen. Okay, this amount of charge is striking on the TV screen. Now I will calculate the charge that will strike in 1 minute. So I will multiply this with the 10 to the power minus 6 into 60, because 1 minute contains 60 seconds. Charge that will strike the TV screen in 1 minute. Okay, so we will multiply this value with the 60. Okay, any doubt in this part? You can ask me. Okay, now write down the second question. Question number 2. Right? A current of 5 ampere flows through a circuit for 15 minutes, full stop. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the yes. Send me the answer in the comment option. I will check and I will answer you out. Circuit during this time. Yes, Malay, your answer is right. Okay, your answers are right. So I will solve this question and you can check. See, the current flowing I is equals to charge flow per unit time in 1 second. Okay, the current flowing, the value of I is, which is given in the question, is 5 ampere. Okay, and the time is 15 minutes, but I have to find this time in seconds. Time is 15 minutes, so I will multiply 15 into second, that is 60. To convert into seconds, it will be 900 seconds. Okay, so I will put down the value and I will find the value of Q, that will be I into T. I is 5 ampere and T is 900 seconds, so it value will be 4500 coulomb, value of Q. This you have to find out. Okay, now write down another question. Question number 4. Question number 3. Suppose a 6-volt battery is connected across a lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm, comma, the current in the circuit is 0.25 ampere, comma, calculate the value of the resistance from the resistor which must be used. Okay, this is the question. Nandini, your answer is wrong. नहीं. See what is he is saying is you have a resistor and a resistance, or we can say a bulb is there. Okay, so we'll draw a bulb. And a battery is present. If the resistance of this lamp is 20 ohm and the resistance of this resistor is not known, which is R, which you have to find also, and the potential of the battery is 6 volts, current flowing in the circuit is I, and its value is 0.25. So you have to find this value R. What should be the value of R? Yes, your answer is right now. Agrima, your answer is right. Shivesh, your answer is also right. अब एक थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ, आपने कहीं गलती कर दी है. अरे आप तो आंसर पता नहीं कहाँ ले गए. So I can say both the resistor and the lamp, both these things, resistor and the lamp is in series connection. Both the resistor are in series. So the net resistance will be R plus 20. Okay. So the net resistance will be R plus 20. I know V is equals to IR. The value of V is 6 volts. So I will write 6 volts here. Okay. The value of I is 0.25, or I can say it is 25 upon 100. And the value of resistance is R plus 20. This value is 1 by 4. 4 will go here and it will be 24 is equals to R plus 20. So the value of R will be 4 ohms. If your answer is 4 ohm, that means the value of this resistance will be 4 ohm. ठीक है, आपको ये बात समझ में आ गई? इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो आप मुझसे पूछ लीजिए. तो जो ये एक्स्ट्रा रेजिस्टर लगाना पड़ा था, उसका रेजिस्टेंस मेरे पास कितना था? 4 ओम उसका एक रेजिस्टेंस था. ठीक है, ओके. अब इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर मैं 2-3 चीजें और सिखाऊंगा आपको. हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लिख सकते हैं. हाँ दीदी पूछो. Write down the next question. Question number 4. A resistance of 6 ohm is connected in series with another resistance of 4 ohm, full stop. A potential difference of 20 volts is applied across the combination full stop. Calculate the current through the circuit and potential difference across the 6 ohm resistance. This you have to calculate. Yes, your answer are right. Yes, Abhik, your answer is also right. Jayesh, Pranita, Kinjal Pari, Abhik, Nandini, Shivesh, Malay. Your answer are right. See, now I will solve this question. Just see the solution. What is the question is saying? A 6 ohm resistance is connected with another resistance of 4 ohm. So there is a 6 ohm resistance and it is connected with 4 ohm. This is 6 ohm. This is 4 ohm resistance. They are connected. The potential difference of 20 volts. A potential difference of 20 volts is applied. And both are connected in series. That's why I have written in series. Okay. Now I will say the potential across this battery is 20 volts. As I can see, both the resistance are in series. So I can find out the resultant resistance. Our resultant resistance will be R1 plus R2. Then the value will be 6 plus 4. So it will be equals to 10 ohms. As I know, V is equals to IR. Potential difference of the battery is 20 volts. So I will write 20. The value of I we have to find out because you can read the question. There is written calculate the current through the circuit. So we have to find the value of I. And the value of R is 10 ohm. So I will write at the 10 ohm here. So the value of I will be 20 upon 10.
Abhik.
Will come as a 2 ampere. Okay. Now what I have to find is we have to find the potential difference across the 6 ohm resistance. We have to find the potential difference across this resistance. You, if I say I current will pass through the circuit, okay, so the current I will pass through this resistance also. So I will apply the Ohm's law on this resistance. V is equals to IR. The amount of current flowing is 2 ampere. So I will write 2. And the resistance is 6. So it will be 2 into 6. It will be a 12 volt of voltage. This ohm resistance, 6 ohm resistance is using. If we have to find the potential difference across the 4 ohm, I will again use the Ohm's law. We will write V is equals to IR, V1, and the potential V1 will be, the amount of current will flowing will be the same, because in the series connection the amount of current which flow through the circuit is same. So the current will be 2 ampere and the resistance is 4. So I can write 8. So V1 potential is across 4 ohm. It will be 8 volts.